The sky has opened, the land awaits us. It is time, it is time. Of our fathers and their fathers. These traditions we hold, united by tongue, brothers in arms. Our mother calls upon us. Through sweat and blood, these lands we ground. Blessed be the crops we sow, abundant be the produce of our labor.
Ong lung ding ni sim sigi hlatun, kumsang ni le som ni lakhat, Kampupi Brigadier Thomas Brown muna, punkin gun lopita ding ahi. Puton pa chon, pulam palam, tule Mr. le, Miss Hun kilhan nazong ding ahi. Hungun, hungla chiun, hun chibay.
Come join us as we sow today the fruit our people will harvest. Celebrate this merrymaking. Bring along your family and friends on 7 April 2021 at Brigadier Thomas Brown Kampupi District Headquarters. Hun Chibay.